Welcome back to Build Your Anatomy. Today we're diving into the world of squats, one of the most effective exercises for enhancing your lower body strength. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned athlete, understanding the correct technique is crucial for maximizing benefits and avoiding injuries. This video will guide you through the proper way to perform squats and introduce some variations to spice up your workout routine. Stay tuned to learn how to squat correctly and transform your training. Let's get started. Squats are a fundamental exercise that targets the quadriceps, hamstrings, glutes, and calves while also engaging your core and back muscles. To perform a squat correctly, start by standing with your feet shoulder-width apart, toes slightly pointed outward. Extend your arms straight in front of you for balance. Alternatively, you can cross your arms over your chest or place them behind your head. Initiate the movement by pushing your hips back and bending your knees, as if you're sitting back into a chair. Keep your back straight and chest up to maintain a strong posture. Lower yourself until your thighs are parallel to the floor, ensuring your knees do not extend past your toes. Pause briefly at the bottom, then press through your heels to return to the starting position. Exhale as you rise and inhale as you lower. Once you've mastered the basic squat, you can challenge yourself with these variations. Sumo squats. Widen your stance beyond shoulder width and point your toes out more. This targets your inner thighs and glutes more intensely. Single leg squats. Stand on one leg, extending the other in front of you for balance. Lower into a squat on the standing leg. This advanced move increases difficulty and enhances balance. Bulgarian split squats. Place one foot behind you on a bench or chair and squat down using the front leg. This focuses the effort on your front leg's quadriceps and glutes. Jump squats. Add a jump as you come up from the squat. This plyometric movement increases your heart rate and builds explosive power. Barbell squats. Rest a barbell across your shoulders behind your head and perform the squat. This variation allows for added resistance, increasing strength. Safety is paramount when performing squats, especially as you introduce weights and complex movements. Always warm up thoroughly to prepare your muscles and joints for the workout. Start with lighter weights to master the form before adding more resistance. Keep your movements slow and controlled to prevent momentum from compromising your form. Consult a fitness professional to ensure your technique is correct, particularly when performing weighted squats. Listen to your body and avoid pushing through pain, which can be a sign of injury. Squats can be a central part of your fitness regimen. Aim to include them in your workouts 2 to 3 times per week, allowing at least one day of rest between sessions for muscle recovery. For comprehensive fitness development, combine squats with upper body strength exercises like push-ups and pull-ups, and cardiovascular activities such as running or cycling. This balanced approach helps prevent overuse injuries and ensures harmonious muscle development. Squats are a versatile exercise that can significantly strengthen your lower body and improve overall fitness when performed correctly. Remember, consistency, proper form, and a balanced diet are key to seeing the best results from your squat routine. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more fitness tips from Build Your Anatomy. Ready to enhance your fitness journey? Let's make squats a regular part of your workout and watch your strength soar. Check out our other videos for more exercises and tips to build a stronger, healthier body.